Hello guys, when you like my videos, and I'm gonna draw outside.
Wait to me.
Right here, right outside of our house. I'm going to draw here in the wall because I love drawing today. So I'm gonna go drawing now. So I'm making a bear or something. I don't know how to draw because I never draw this. And I'll make the tail, the ears, the color of the panda, I'm drawing a BFF. Wait, I don't know who's.
About me!
Ano? What do you want?
Ako nga.
Hindi, kwa ka to. Buglay ni mo kwa.
Di, baliga ko yan.
Color blue.
Talo ako.
Ay, ganyan to. Siga. Ato color blue.
Then,
Blue bala, light blue. So I get something for him if it's so sabad. So I'm gonna draw again. So I'm making this thing. So let's speed because I can't draw because without speed.
Aliyah, may drawing ka?
Nag-drawing si Mochura. Hindi makuha na. Hindi na makuha.
Rainbow snowman.
So I write AJ, you need to sub right now, please. So that's my name is AJ because I call myself AJ because I'm bored. So you need to subscribe right now to see me many videos of this. Yeah.